Is Windows failing to load because of the generator signal module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To kick off the manual repair for generator signal module, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the generator signal module, frequently associated with the localized digital signature generation logic of software installers. It performs a hash comparison of core assets on launch. If missing, the application will report file integrity violation or invalid certificate, preventing the app from bootstrapping. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The generator signal module DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the localized signature generation logic environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with generator signal module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or outdated version of generator signal module DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to generator signal module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter generator signal module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.